welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today we're going to be dissecting an old laptop. There are lots of useful things inside the laptop. There's at least 3 projects worth of things I need out of this one laptop now. So I'm going to do a quick time lapse of me taking bits out of it and so on. If I need to, for some reason, explain anything about it, I will. I'll either put labels or slow the whole thing down and explain, but basically I'm just going to get a few things out. The reason I'm not doing a full in-depth video on this and talking you through the whole thing is there are a million different types of laptops. Each one is slightly different, and until you open it up you won't know what's what, and you know, it could be completely different from this one. So as I say, I'll do it all very quickly, and then I'll give you an overview of what I've taken out, for what reason, what I'm keeping, and hopefully I then can link all the different videos that I'm going to make from this one laptop, like all the different projects. I'll link them all, and then you can have a look at what sort of things we can make. Anyway, let's get on then. So, what did we get out of it? We got a motherboard with various chips on it, various sockets and so on. There's a lot of little bits I'll use off of this motherboard, but not for projects to do with off-grid. We have some switches which are not capacitance touch. I'm not entirely sure what they are. They might be light no, they can't be. If anyone knows what type of switches these are, could you leave me a message in the comment? That would be in the comment section. That would be very helpful. We got a CD. Is it rewritable? A DVD writer. Nice. So that still works, definitely. A 250 gig hard drive, which I'll use to back up all of my videos and stuff to do with the off-grid family. A lovely fan with various heat sinks on it. I like these fans. They suck air up and blow them across, or suck them in this way and blow them out that way, whichever way around it is on these, I can't remember. We have a very good still working set of batteries. Can't remember the name of the batteries in here, but they can all be resalvaged and used, and they can be very good, especially considering this one is a genuine battery, not a cheap one off eBay. A set of lovely little speakers. They're actually really loud for the size they are, so that's pretty cool. Each one's 2 watts. They're lovely little speakers actually. We have a wireless card which will be being put into my laptop that is downstairs. There's issues with that one. It keeps conking out internet wise, and it's because of the card, so hopefully they'll be compatible. We have some RAM, happy days. We have lots and lots of the small coaxial cable, which I'll be using in my up and coming wireless LAN wireless projects, increasing wireless range, etc. And there's a few tiny little buttons. Again, they will be used for something. A socket for the power supply, which I will connect directly to the batteries, and I will be able to charge up the batteries via the same power supply that came with the laptop. A keyboard, all perfectly working fine. It's in what's called a keyboard matrix, so if I can be bothered to either figure out which way the matrix is or go online and find out, I could actually use this in a project, for example with a Raspberry Pi maybe. Not sure about that though. If not, I might give it to someone if they need it, or sell it on eBay, something like that, you know. The monitor, which was still working, but there was issues with everything else on it. So I'm going to be using this for an up and coming project very soon. So hopefully, if it's the LED kind, which I think it is, it should be. So as you can see, the only things that go to waste are the bits of plastic that held it all together. The rest of it I will be using in other projects. Like I always say, I don't like to waste anything if I can avoid it. So rather than just chucking this all away, the whole laptop, we've taken quite a lot of salvage out of it. Looks like I've got a bit of a halo going on, doesn't it? Okay, thanks for watching. As you can see, there is a lot that can be salvaged from an old laptop. Don't just chuck it away. Some of the stuff, for example, often the batteries aren't too good in them. This I know is very good. And monitors often can't be reused. However, I will show you what I'll be reusing this one for. Fingers crossed if it's the right style. But there is loads to be found inside them. It's just whether you know to look. So I hope this was helpful to someone. If it was, brilliant. Leave a comment, thumbs up, etc. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.